Meaning of frontier.
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 Frontier. The term frontier generally refers to a geographic boundary between settled and unsettled areas. The word can be used metaphorically to describe boundaries between knowledge, technology, or ideas that have yet to be fully explored or discovered. Frontiers represent the cutting edge of exploration and innovation, where new frontiers offer opportunities for growth and progress. The frontier mentality embodies a pioneering spirit, characterized by courage, determination, and a willingness to take risks. Frontiers challenge individuals and societies to expand their knowledge and capabilities, pushing them to think and act in new and creative ways.